Next we're going to have a look at setting up a password, and you can only do the password in a very specific way. I have already opened up my Microsoft Access. I haven't opened my database, I've only opened up Access, and I've done File Open, or I've clicked on More here so that I've got the File Open screen. The database I'm using is Crispy Bacon Gerbil Emporium Finishing. Now, in order to be able to set the password up, you have to set it up, and you have to open it in what's called exclusive mode. Okay, if you don't do that, you're not going to be able to set the password up. So if you open in exclusive mode, and what you will find is that under database tools, it will give you this option which says encrypt with password, and you can set and verify your password there. Now, one very specific word of warning, okay, and that is, if you forget what the password is, there is no trick around this. So unlike the trick I showed you before, where if you hold the shift key down you can turn all the menus back, if you forget your password, you're stuffed. Okay, so two things. One is, I would suggest very strongly that you take a backup of your database before you do this, just in case your fingers slip. Secondly, I would suggest that you set your password to the word password, and that way it's easy to remember, and if there's any problems I can remember it too. And thirdly, I suggest this is the very last thing you do, especially if you're still working on your database, because it will be a pain if you have to type in your password every time. You can turn the password back off, so I'm not going to set that now, I'm just going to show you how to do it. But if you have set your password and you then decide that you want to turn it off, providing you open in exclusive mode again, go to database tools, you will find that that by clicking this option again, you'll be able to turn your password back off. Okay, so you can turn it off, but you can't unset it, you can't actually crack it in any way.